Welcome to the Flow into Alignment YouTube channel. I am so glad that you found yourself here. I just want to give you a little quick background of myself and what this channel is going to be about so you kind of know what you're getting into. So for myself, I started off as a professional ballet dancer. Yes, you heard that right. I was in the tutus and toe shoes. That's how I started off. I started off dancing at the age of 3 and then had the amazing opportunity to join a professional ballet company right out of high school. I started teaching dance and teaching ballet at the age of 15 and continued that until I was mid to early 30s. And then I decided to start moving into yoga because I was kind of moving away from ballet and dance but still want to do something to move. So I hopped right into yoga. And around that time, I was finishing up my bachelor's degree in exercise science, which is kind of an offshoot of physical education. So I have just so much background in anatomy and physiology, kinesiology, and things like that to help me understand how the body moves. But also I have all these years of teaching movement, and that's what I love, is teaching you how to move better, finding out why you're having difficulty with your movement, and then giving you the solution. So in this YouTube channel, I try to be really holistic and figuring out what are some of the things that people struggle with the most, and then provide you with those solutions. Also, how to be able to practice yoga at home, because there's some things like yin yoga that you think, oh, I have to have yoga specific bolsters and yoga specific blankets and all this yoga specific equipment, but you actually don't. There is some yoga specific stuff that I do encourage you to get, but otherwise I show you how to use things around your home, be able to use your couch and other things like that so that you can easily practice at home when you can't make it to a yoga studio or you just haven't been able to find one. Also, what I love to do is deep dive into understanding yoga poses. So you're going to see some videos and understanding how to do a certain yoga pose, what things you can do to help with that. I also hope that if you find all of this useful, that you want to join the rest of my beautiful community over in the Flow into Alignment membership. Right now, there is a wait list, but I will be opening that up soon for new members, so be looking out for that. So all that to say, I hope you enjoy what you find, and I hope I can bring some benefit to you in your life and help you understand yoga some more and be able to practice at home using the tools that you have around the home. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.